Hello dear children. So there's another story for you. Town Mouse and Country Mouse. It's level 2 from Read It Yourself with Ladybird. So you can see this Country Mouse and Town Mouse. So illustrated by Jonathan Hadley. So you can see the two mice. Once upon a time, there were two mice. Country Mouse lived in the country. Town Mouse lived in the town. One day, Town Mouse went to see Country Mouse. "What a funny house," said Town Mouse. "What funny food! What a funny bed!" The two mice went for a walk. Suddenly, they heard a noise. Moo! "What's that?" said Town Mouse. "It's only a cow," said Country Mouse. But Town Mouse was very frightened. You can see the Town Mouse is very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Hiss! What's that?" said Town Mouse. "It's only a goose," said Country Mouse. But Town Mouse was very frightened. See, the Town Mouse is very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Ooh! What's that?" said Town Mouse. "It's the owl," said Country Mouse. "Run as fast as you can." See, you can see the owl here and the two mice. "I don't like it in the country," said Town Mouse. "Come with me back to the town." So off they went. See, they're going to town. "What a funny house," said Country Mouse. "What funny food! What a funny bed!" The two mice went for a walk. Now what do you think happens? Suddenly, they heard a noise. "Pop, pop! What's that?" said Country Mouse. "It's only a car," said Town Mouse. But Country Mouse was very frightened. You can see the Country Mouse is really very frightened. It's really very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Well, what's that?" said Country Mouse. "It's only a fire engine," said Town Mouse. But Country Mouse was very frightened. See? Poor Country Mouse is very frightened. Then they heard another noise. "Meow! What's that?" said Country Mouse. "It's the cat," said Town Mouse. "Run as fast as you can." See? The Country Mouse, the Town Mouse, both are very frightened. And you see the big cat. And Country Mouse ran very fast all the way back to the country. So the Country Mouse came back to the country. So we have come to the end of this story. Thank you.